Have you ever wondered why some Mitsubishi models leave buyers regretting their purchase, while others earn nothing but praise? With over 100 years of history, this brand has delivered durable machines tied to its Japanese diamond reputation. But not every diamond shines brightly. In this video, we'll explore 5 Mitsubishi models you should steer clear of to avoid trouble, and 4 that are worth every penny, reliable and budget-friendly. This is your roadmap to smarter car buying. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Five Mitsubishi models to avoid. Mitsubishi Lancer 2017. The Mitsubishi Lancer name brings to mind a street legend, loved for its youthful design and sporty vibe. But by 2017, the Lancer had become a textbook case of resting on its laurels. While rivals like the Honda Civic, Ford Focus, and Chevrolet Cruze kept innovating, the 2017 Lancer was basically a rehash of the 2007 model, dragged out for its 11th year. You're paying for a new car, but getting an outdated experience in both looks and tech. Step inside, and it's a letdown. Cheap materials, bland design, and poor sound insulation. Compare it to even the base model Civic from that time, which felt far more refined and modern. On the road, its 2.0L i4 engine with 148 horsepower sounds decent. But paired with a CVT, it's a nightmare. Slow acceleration, noisy, and zero driving excitement. Fuel economy is just 30 minutes per smappy, mediocre for a 2017 sedan. Worst of all, the car connection gave it a dismal 4.3 SAC 10, one of the lowest scores in its class. If you want a fuel-efficient, reliable, and modern car, the 2017 Lancer will only disappoint. It's proof that not every Mitsubishi is worth your money. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross 2024. The 2024 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross had high hopes of being a modern crossover to refresh the brand, but it's left many buyers disappointed. Starting at over $26,000, it sounds appealing, but the flaws become clear when you drive it. The 1.5L turbo engine with 152 horsepower seems adequate, but paired with a CVT, it feels sluggish and lacks confidence, especially when overtaking on highways. The driving experience doesn't get better. The steering is light and vague, and the suspension is stiff and uncomfortable, making long trips a chore. Mitsubishi tried to stand out with standard all-wheel drive, but it's not enough to offset the shortcomings. The interior is basic, with materials that don't feel premium and stripped-down tech in the base model. For a crossover meant to compete in the urban SUV market, the Eclipse Cross feels half-baked. Not powerful enough to impress, not comfortable enough to keep buyers loyal. If you're looking for a balanced SUV with solid performance and comfort, you'll likely want to explore other options before settling on the Eclipse Cross. Mitsubishi Mirage 2024, hatchback and sedan. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage, whether hatchback or G4 sedan, grabs attention with its low price, but sometimes cheap comes with a hidden cost in daily driving. The Mirage's exterior has a touch of charm, but look closely, and it feels clumsy. The hatchback is short and stubby, while the sedan is tall with an awkwardly short rear, making it look unbalanced. Inside, there's little to love. The dashboard and door panels are covered in hard, dull plastic, with a design that feels a decade behind. It's hard to feel proud driving this one. The engine? A measly 78 horsepower from a 1.2L 3-cylinder. Way underpowered in an era when even budget city cars pack more punch. It's fine for crawling through city streets, but on the highway, the Mirage struggles. Overtaking requires careful planning, the engine screams, and the CVT whines loudly, making the cabin a noisy, stressful place. Long drives expose more flaws. Small tires and a lightweight body make it feel unstable and shaky, leaving you exhausted. Sure, the Mirage is fuel-efficient, affordable, and easy to maneuver. But if you want a car that inspires confidence, comfort, and a memorable drive, the 2024 Mirage isn't it. This is a car to think twice about, because initial savings can often mean long-term disappointment. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 2024. If the hatchback version of the Mirage has sparked plenty of debate, the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 sedan doesn't fare much better. In fact, it exposes even more glaring flaws. Its biggest draw is the soft starting price of just over $17,000. But dig deeper, and you'll see the compromises aren't worth it. The sedan's exterior looks unbalanced. A tall body with a stubby rear that makes it feel squat and less premium. Many compare it to a clumsy stretch of the hatchback rather than a true sedan. Step inside, and the disappointment continues. The cabin is cramped, with the rear seats so tight that 3 adults will constantly bump shoulders and elbows on long trips. Hard plastics in black cover the dashboard and doors, making it feel dull and cheaply built. For a 2024 model, the interior is way behind the curve. Under the hood, it keeps the same 1.2L 3-cylinder engine with just 78 horsepower, making agile driving a stretch. On the highway, passing becomes a real challenge, and the CVT strains to keep up, whining annoyingly. Poor sound insulation lets in every rumble and wind noise. In short, the 2024 Mirage G4 suits someone who just needs 4 wheels, good mileage, and a low price. But if you want comfort, style, and a sense of security on every drive, this isn't a car to stick with long term. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. Mitsubishi Outlander Sport 2024. Next up is the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, a name that sounds tough and sporty, but the real-world experience leaves many shaking their heads. Starting at over $23,000, it seems like a steal, but what you get doesn't match up. The exterior is cluttered with too many lines. The front tries to look aggressive, but overall, it feels off-rhythm, making the car seem bigger than it is without any real elegance. Inside, the interior doesn't help. A hard plastic dashboard, an outdated design, and a touchscreen that's there but doesn't elevate the experience. The seats are just okay, not cushy enough for long drives, leading to fatigue. The 2.0L engine with 148 horsepower, or the slightly punchier 2.4L, pairs with a sluggish CVT that drags during acceleration. Every pass feels like a weight, accompanied by an unpleasant engine groan. On top of that, the suspension transmits every road bump into the cabin, robbing passengers of comfort. Space is adequate, but when you combine the design, materials, and driving feel, the 2024 Outlander Sport comes off as bland. If you're after a compact SUV that's nimble, versatile, and modern, this one might let you down. 4 Mitsubishi models worth buying. Mitsubishi Outlander 2024. Unlike the models that make buyers cringe, the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander helps redeem the brand's reputation. Starting around $28,000, it shows Mitsubishi can still nail an appealing SUV when they focus right. The exterior design is bold, with the dynamic shield grille, sharp lines, and dark floating roof adding a youthful, standout vibe. Hop inside, and you'll notice the positive shift. Spacious interior, better finished materials, a clean layout, and a modern 8-inch or optional 9-inch screen. Some elements borrowed from the Nissan Rogue boost its refinement and convenience. On the drive, the 2.5L engine with 181 horsepower isn't explosive, but strikes a nice balance of power and smoothness, thanks to improved noise insulation and suspension, tuning for a much quieter ride than before. It's comfy in the city and handles long hauls with stability and peace. Add Mitsubishi's famously long warranty, and this is the family SUV that's economical, reliable, and built for the long haul. Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV 2024. If the standard Outlander already turns heads, The 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is truly the brand's ace in the hole for electrified SUVs. Starting at over $40,000, this model delivers a rare blend: the practicality of a family SUV, exceptional fuel efficiency, and a smooth driving feel thanks to its plug-in hybrid powertrain. Under the hood is a system pairing a 2.4L gas engine with 2 electric motors for a total of 248 horsepower. That alone sets it apart. Quick acceleration, quiet operation, and instant throttle response. A far cry from the sluggishness in many other Mitsubishis. The biggest win? Up to 38 miles of pure electric range per EPA estimates, enough for your daily city commute without touching a drop of gas. It's not just efficient. The Outlander PHEV ensures safety and stability with standard all-wheel drive. Whether on slippery roads, snow, or rough terrain, it stays planted. Inside, the cabin is roomy, upscale, and packed with trim options from ES to Exceed Tourer, letting you pick what fits your needs. The modern exterior design channels the dynamic shield DNA, bold yet refined. In short, the 2024 Outlander PHEV isn't just a smart pick for fuel savers. It's proof Mitsubishi can still build a car that's worth owning, balancing performance, tech, and everyday joy. Mitsubishi L200 2024 Pickup. When it comes to Japanese pickups, folks often think of the Toyota Hilux or Nissan Navara first, but the 2024 Mitsubishi L200 quietly steals the show. This redesigned version gets a near-total overhaul, with a rugged, angular look that's way more modern than its predecessor. Up front, sharp LED headlights, a beefy grille, and big air intakes give it that commanding presence. Tough enough for work, cool enough for play. Climb inside, and it's a pleasant surprise. Way more upscale than you'd expect from a workhorse. Premium upholstery, dual-zone auto climate control, an 8-inch infotainment screen, and a 6-speaker audio system turn the cab into a comfy spot for the whole family. Little touches like under-seat storage and intuitive controls add real-world smarts. For power, it's got a 2.4L diesel engine making 181 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic. The numbers might seem modest, but team it with multi-mode 4x4, and it conquers tough terrain while staying smooth on pavement. 4-wheel disc brakes boost safety too. The cool part? The L200 isn't just for job sites or off-road junkies, it's a 2-in-1 rig. Burly for hauling, civilized enough for weekend family outings. It's the versatility Mitsubishi baked into its flagship pickup. Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2024. In the world of off-road SUVs, the 2024 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is a trump card that keeps the brand's Dakar rally legend alive. One glance, and it exudes presence with its chrome-plated grille, sharp LED headlights, and a robust, commanding stance. What truly surprises, though, is its rare balance. Tough enough to conquer rugged terrain, yet refined and comfortable for long road trips. Under the hood, a 2.4L turbo diesel engine pumps out 190 horsepower and a massive 430 Nm of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The drive feels smooth and powerful without being harsh, giving you confidence to tackle steep hills or muddy trails. The Super Select 4WD Sedan 2 system, with modes for sand, mud, snow, and more, makes it adaptable to any challenge. Step inside, and it's clear this isn't just a bare-bones off-roader. The spacious cabin boasts heated leather seats, a vibrant 5 and 10W audio system, and a modern digital dashboard, turning tough journeys into surprisingly plush experiences. What stands out is that the 2024 Pajero Sport isn't just for off-road enthusiasts. It's also perfect for those who want a vehicle that's upscale enough for city streets, rugged enough for adventures, and safe enough for family trips. This SUV proves Mitsubishi still nails its legendary off-road DNA while cleverly adding the modern comforts today's buyers crave. Looking back at the full list, it's clear not every Mitsubishi is a winner. Models like the 2017 Lancer, Mirage, Eclipse Cross, and Outlander Sport show outdated designs and lackluster performance, often leaving buyers disappointed. But the Outlander, Outlander PHEV, L200, and Pajero Sport 2024 prove Mitsubishi can still deliver durable, comfortable, and reliable vehicles. The key is picking the right model for your needs. If you like this video, hit the like button. If not, hit subscribe anyway.